this is Harry J from Ask Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this, we're going to show you how you can take a screenshot of your Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, S20, S10, S9, S7 or any other version of Samsung phone you have. Basically, you're going to use two buttons here, power button and the volume rocker down button. These two buttons is principal in this case. For example, I want to take a screenshot of this screen. I hit these two buttons together. That's all. So easy. You can take a screenshot of anything. For example, I go to some app. I go to Play Store. Here we go. I hit two buttons. And after that, you can edit as well. I tap, I hit edit button. You see, later update. You can change the size. You see, you can make it small. You can change color as you want, temperature, brightness and all the things. So you can do so many things after taking a screenshot. One more thing, you can take a screenshot of running object as well. For example, I go to YouTube and I put some video. It's the date of Queen Elizabeth, so everything is about that. So I put, for example, this video, and the video is running. You can take a screenshot here, you see, and same way here is that. So you take a screenshot of running video, and here I put in full screen, and let's see, I can.
Welcome to Gravitas. I'm Palki Sharma Upadhyay. Let's get started.
I can hit here these two buttons. You can take a screenshot of running video as well. Let's see, I close this one. This is one screenshot, this is another. You see the screenshot of running video as well. So you can do this in Samsung Galaxy S20, 21, 10, 8, 9 or any other version. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye.